mbe wako eberu aduru ana robe wana obonwen aduru
obeden
obonwen aduru
there be enye minim die but I don't think say good
atakuransem na woka na mede e kan sasem o maimu how do na enya say most of the institutions na atimi atumpon no obehwe na ye ba ku bi nipa ku ena taachiri en sawo ni kuro no kwame say otutu a that means say science institution abana wiye and the Karela United and yes obo the game ewo Crosby ewo Mirror Park no omo brigade asenyina senator sorry brigade ni wo no NSSR bibia ko obi a wadi Ghana football achiache no for Karela United kwame at some point in time now omo crown the finest players in the local league. No ball on airballs kwam air ball la obepeso obeden obehwe because so ka Jean Vital Orega
sure
not Jean Vital ejina ball echi e won fifi won makwame okobe do so behwe abrantie no Ismail Abdegani that time around 2017-18 he was part of the squad. Imoro Ibrahim
Dia Wisi Taylor. Emmanuel
Keyeke.
Empim da Costa.
Hey,
please.
Right? Emmanuel Sebafo. All the man will be free. I'll go to Echo join it.
Sure.
Michael Sai. Kwame. They had players now to an old game now. Kwame, you enjoy watching them. Benny. Essence Senator Echo Yana. Because the succession plan wasn't there. Nearly be saw a club name. Offer Eloin Amandi ebe saw a club name Kwame. That was the end of the club. Amani, Karela United, Yaton Ediama, Honorable Education Minister, Haruna Iddrisu, when they see Karela United end there. Ama Parker, who's the last season? Tamana Holy Stars L Division 1. No, Musi Omakayo.
Sure.
And they park on Abeye Amanfon. I hear something Kwame Otuwa now we are because Kwame Ghana Premier League no class and internet make a ba for a drone e good say sir okay e bekum Arsenal
park na that no
yeah 80 minutes based on which mabwana wa merge the current state and
or the video ne to asro be no
yes I'm join Opemsuo radio on Facebook so be recognize it the other just oppose it along the NA Abeyeno. No, sir, or my one Kwame. Adia ya can the maintenance coach and Kwame. And they where enna ama something and they how my mua. Being a good state of Asia kind. And Titama club lines for an near the quality of our page and how bad it is on television. Kwa TV Kwame. Na pitches ebe down no ma na ubusa the kwam we any premier na here bonana enti all because one man spearheading the team and if he's not there Kwame that's the end of the club na make up bekum as Kwame Laji Yakub Moro mbacho okọ ne create no bekum Arsenal what's been their fate now
enti omunka kra
all the mekano
think omko second division no
Kwame they will go na kuku. Because he was the financier, the controller, and everything of the club. Just like Senator Bigidi, Edema Bogofen Karela United. And the only Edema club na betting. I said, Kwame say, if he was to be alive, do you think, sir, the kind of investment and all in the team, no? And Kerebedu will be a no? And on to say, Emma, that investment, Hamidas, Yamisha Bismarck, and where this the current state, as against what it was. And you will be a Ghana good year Munsem or Komaso Kwame. We are not Kwame. Who Abenisi because this shouldn't have been the case of one of the best pitches that we had years gone by. And Chayo, and 17, 18, 19, 20, assembly account. And now 20 years, 15 years, Kwame assembly account. And no 10 years. But the pitch has been deteriorated to the extent where Kwame anyway, what you do bunch of baby Kwame na dey I say baby ye bon kofie ye dua ade oso aba afasa na ni adane gazam papreso na park aye Kwame na we say na ne yewe
awe ho pa
entu say na Kwame na wo obi awura ne club na wo kwa Kwame endei sebi ye buto aka say Kwame pay investor no me so club ni
no pa no munya bi o munya de
ko ebi enya ye papa King Faisal o ga some point na chiefs am e so club ni
no so ompene
enti dey say King Faisal nyagopon empengu say do baby na King Faisal on anyone ma what to be the fate of King Faisal
so ompene enti obi antimi info
one day make so when it comes to football and how it's been run in this country Kwame, this has been some of the problem because me say this page should have been like this on say time nations for air brackets no it will be na Ghana ye host to wafu tournament ewo ho and man ball kwa yona na ebo no
sure
because ye wa dem no and University Stadium Legon and yona ye host to all the tournament because na mono ere aba that has been how our country has been always mono ba kwa na to that akwene be ru efise kwa motare mono e che wonne no o che be dada but how about Quran and a che how be che yembu akwa beto atare a che pa ye to gu on minti de bia Kwame wo hyen we ye si ni ato we ka si atomon kwam dada na e di park no so one ni a no one pay somebody an institution that will care for it and as one pay money in to the club Kwame it will be like this Kwame se kwam yo because my and one of our problems getting a suitable pitch for our product that's the Ghana Premier League and here sa pitch you say near bolik o Truba Asotef no disrespect to Truba but Kwame compare Truba Asotef to this pitch na dey yaman abe amanfo no say yeah na ke a good plan for our class and our football Kwame ke enu say when about the FA Kwame it's about our clubs and how they be especially those sole own class no cause if the individual is not having money Kwame na club I dey be and the house good the house good a club Kwame na go face for handle a club Kwame what is the fate or Madiba individual a best individual the Kwame e go do ever e do baby scan rough never chop bet never chop price ka
oh evidence
Kwame and there my house good them am kai F in the kai and the house good team ngui it don't be called almost a bet I'm internalize Kwame never game na e go house good and if the more can any Kwame why has house good been event liquidated and any existence all because and it came into the hand of an individual when they told us and they on about 99% of the world of the club our class Kwame me say going forward no say unim say uni an investor Kwame find a plan whereby you can maintain things like this and then Indium and also because of politics Kwame look at how the Indian sports complex has been and baby no any picture on my mwa na ke na party over there because they so Indian sports complex Kwame what the fate of it because then why and so nanya the top of Bogos Indium so no kwa ne some ya ne bank Bangladesh for good no Kwame and they what became the fate of it but na ka all boa for na all boa no and na on we first say ne juma se about for na kan Bogos Kwame can you be do any adri come see a football no ubet the best of players but the pitch ni enya Kwame ubebre o ga so ali muntari one of us games okoboy no or danu oka pitch then oka was it park no Kwame enye because the park enya Kwame unye the best to enetie aye som no Kwame fa say mago fu na ka say enya nipo no tie no what the quality of sound no bet enya orifie they will not be getting the best out of their ear producer no so if you want to get the best out of them it's about the pitch and the quality and how we maintain them and this is an individual one Kwame even let's widen the scope to the government own and also comes over the fate of it and the Kwame so ezipon What the currency was upon
Cape Coast cry say.
Cape Costa, yeah, na say yano. Kwam to the Cape Coast, all because I'm so my one on. Yeah, I say, remember Binum. On your mouth, fra, no said that an eddy. No, go was and a capita, no, Johnny. And yenya, me a say way, we don't find a means of maintaining them. And we ya. Say the big the Karela United stadium na kebo and egu but me say buy no so dia you know an kebo no put the whole institution and down on Kwame and no abeye ye cheni Kwame ba no na best because the best man and free club akoso on be no me head the affair on so ba Kwame ni abese no so almost all the good pitches in our country right me say any point dem na for no ukohu a e bi a chere o roofing sheet baby na leaky rade
na we cry roofing sheet e wo so nyina pa
na kwa kasa ni yamu so what is Ghana no voice over no o say man for be twa ayi no e ko so omdem aso tev na omda so carpet no man for twa e ko so omdem
so obi ani wa obo ho